In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AutoCAD Workspace back to classic mode. Even though the original classic preset was removed from newer versions, you can still recreate that familiar streamlined look by adjusting a couple of settings and closing the ribbon so your drawing area feels just like it used to. Let's start by opening the workspace controls. Look to the top left corner of AutoCAD for the quick access toolbar. It's the slim strip that holds icons like save and undo. On that strip, find the workspace button. It usually looks like a small gear or shows the name of your current workspace. Click it and choose Workspace Settings. This is where you tell AutoCAD how to treat any changes you make to your interface so the program remembers them next time. Now configure the workspace. In the same Workspace menu on the Quick Access toolbar, check whether AutoCAD Classic Workspace appears. If you see it, select it to load that layout immediately. If you don't see it, which is common in recent releases, that's okay. The next step will still give you the clean, tool-rich space you're after. In the Workspace Settings dialog box, make sure Automatically Save Workspace Changes is turned on. This setting is key. It tells AutoCAD to keep any interface tweaks you make, such as hiding panels or the ribbon, so you don't have to redo them every session. With that set, it's time to free up your screen real estate. Go to the command line at the bottom of the window, sometimes called the command bar, click in it, type ribbon close and press enter. The ribbon disappears, immediately giving you more room to draw and a less distracting interface. This is the core of recreating the classic feel, because the older layout emphasized a roomier canvas with commands accessed through menus, toolbars, the command line, and right-click options. If you ever want the ribbon back, just type ribbon and press enter to restore it. That way you can switch between a modern and classic style setup without losing your place. At this point, you've effectively rebuilt a classic style workspace. Because you enabled Automatically Save Workspace Changes, AutoCAD will remember this layout the next time you launch it. If the AutoCAD Classic Workspace option was available and you chose it, you're done. If it wasn't, closing the ribbon while autosave is on still gives you a clean, classic experience, and it will stick. That's all there is to it. You accessed the workspace settings, configured AutoCAD to save changes, and closed the ribbon to reclaim a classic, efficient workspace.